mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. August 30, 2024. Karera sa araw ng Biyernes. Umpisa ng karera alas 5 ng hapon. 7 races ang nakatakda, naka-line up sa nag-iisang Metro Third Malbar, Tanawan, Batangas. Yung race 1 lang ang 1,200, race 2 hanggang last race 7 ay 1,400 meter distance. Race number 1, first choice number 2, Angel's Crown. Second choice number 1, Winning Shot. Race 2, first choice number 6, Mandatum. Second choice, Couple 3, 3, Cool Mom, 3A, Bantay, Sarado. Race 3, first choice number 10, Marengo. Second choice number 4, Instant Notice. Race 4, first choice number 8, Malabon King. Second choice number 3, Double Happiness. Race 5, first choice number 10, Stripe of Pink. Second choice, Couple 3, 3, Veterano, 3A, Noble Touch. Race 6, race na may Pentapecta. First choice, number 1, Rocking Bell. Second choice, number 8, Spaghetti Pababa. Third choice, number 2, Animo Lasal. Race 7, last race, race na may Super 6. First choice, number 1, Miss Hibiki. Second choice, number 2, Sister Moon. Third choice, number 13, May Bell. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!